everyone, welcome back to CBSE Learner. This is a continuation video of my voice change video. So if you have not checked out my voice change video, just go and check out all my voice change videos, as I have given part-wise videos on each tense, how to convert active to passive and from passive to active, along with the formulas in case of each and every tense. Okay. So if you are new to our channel, just go and subscribe to our channel so that you can get more informational videos like this, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, as you won't be notified if we upload more videos. Okay, so it's for your benefit. Okay, now in this video I will be teaching you how to convert in case of affirmative, negative, positive interrogative and negative interrogative sentences in case of past continuous tense. So I have already taught you how to change in case of present tense, and already one video I have uploaded on how to change in case of past tense, simple past. Okay, now we will be doing how to change in case of past continuous tense. Okay, so first one we will be taking is affirmative sentence. Okay, so let me take one example. She was doing her lessons. So you can see this is a affirmative sentence. There is not a question mark in this sentence. Okay, so here the focus is on she, which is the subject. So we can call that this sentence is in active voice. The voice of the verb in this sentence is in active voice. Okay, so it is active voice. Now here we can see it is in past continuous, as we have used the past form of be verb is, which is or am, which is was, along with the present participle or the ing verb. Okay, with the object. So let me construct the formula. The formula will be subject plus was or were. So I will every time tell you to remember the number of the subject or the object whenever you are using, to know what to use in case of auxiliary verb or verb. So it depends on the number of the subject. So you know that when it is was, when it will be was, it will be in case of first person singular number, third person singular number and second person. Okay, so we will be using were in case of plural numbers. Okay, so subject plus was or were plus ing form of verb, ing form of verb or verb plus ing. In case of second person singular number, we'll be using you were, isn't it? You are. If we are using, as we are using you are, we'll be using you were. Okay, so in case of only I am, I am past form is was. Okay, so be clear what you are listening. Okay, just don't get confused. Plus here, let me see. So the formula will be subject plus was or were, depends on the subject, plus ing form of verb, or you can call it verb plus ing plus object, which is the object her lessons. Okay, so when you are converting, we have to bring her lessons. Her lessons were not, because the lessons is in plural number. Okay, so let's convert. I hope the formula is clear to you in case of active voice. So we'll be using this formula. Okay, now let me convert this sentence into passive voice. To convert it into passive voice, what I need to do is I need to bring the object. Now what is the object? Her lessons. So I have to bring the object her lessons in focus. Okay, so we have to focus on the object in case of passive voice. Okay, now her lessons were being done by her. Okay, so just don't get confused. Just her lessons were being done by her. Okay, see, everything is correct or not. We have used the possessive form of the pronoun she, which is her, and her lessons we have brought in focus. Okay, So her lessons were being done by her. So we know in case of passive voice, we'll be using the past participle form of a verb. So we are using ing being, okay, being done by her. Here the focus is on her lesson, so it is in passive voice. Now what will be the formula? Object plus was or were plus being plus past participle form of verb plus by plus subject, not object. So basically we confuse with this one because at last we are habituated to write the object. So most of the time we write object, but actually in case of passive voice the subject will be at the last. Okay, so object plus was or were plus being plus past participle form of verb plus by plus subject. Okay, I hope this is very clear to you. Okay, so her lessons were being done by her. Okay, she was doing her lessons were being done by her. Okay, so this is clear. Now we will be converting one negative sentence. So we will be taking this sentence only. She was not doing her lessons. So we will be saying that her lessons were not being done by her. Okay, so let's take the negative ones. Okay, she was not doing her lessons. So this is a negative sentence. This is in case of active voice. Okay, she was not doing her lessons. It is in active voice. Now what will be the formula? Subject plus was or were plus not plus verb plus ing plus object. Okay. Now in case of passive voice, you are very well explained with this and I have already explained. So I'm just giving the example and I am completing the lesson. Okay. So subject plus was or were plus not plus verb plus ing plus object. So this is the formula in case of active voice. So don't forget to learn the formula for active voice because you won't always be asked to change from active to passive. Sometimes they will ask you to change from passive to active. Okay. So just remember to mug up the formula also. Now we'll be changing it into passive. So her lessons will come at first, which is the object. And in case of passive voice, we'll be focusing on object, not on subject. Her lessons were not being done by her. Okay. So we'll be using this one, object plus was or were plus not plus being plus past participle form of verb plus by plus subject. Okay. So don't think that it's a very lengthy. I am giving you part wise as you will be you can easily learn all the steps how to convert. Okay. So you can just take out 5 to 10 minutes to check out this video. It will be useful for you as it is not a very small chapter. It's a very lengthy chapter. Okay. So you have to know in case of modals. So I will be giving you how to, when we are using command or when we are using any imperative sentence, how to change in case of imperative sentence. Okay. So everything I will be teaching you just part wise. Okay. So you have to follow our channel for that. Okay. So just stay tuned with our channel. Okay. Now see this one, the formula. I am 100% sure that after seeing 1 or 2 videos, you can easily make the formula. You can only construct the formula. You are not required me to construct the formula, isn't it? So after using after seeing one or two videos, you can easily do this one, okay? So this is in case of negative sentence. Now we'll be using in case of interrogative sentence. What will be the interrogative sentence? Let us do this one only, okay? In case of interrogative sentence, okay, was she doing her lessons? Okay, so here was or were will be depending on the subject in case of active voice, and in case of passive it will be depends on the object. So here the focus is on subject, so it will be in active voice. Was. So construct the formula. Was plus was or were plus subject plus verb plus ing plus the object with a question mark. Okay, so don't forget the question mark because you are asking a question in interrogative sentence. This is the formula. Okay, now if we want to convert it, then what we'll be doing, we'll be giving focus on the object. So here the object is her lessons. So her lessons is in plural number, so we'll be using were. Okay, so were her lessons being done by her? Okay, was she doing her lessons or was her lessons being done by her? Okay, so this is in passive voice as the focus is on her lessons, which is the object. So we'll be using was or were plus object plus being plus past participle form of verb plus by plus subject with a question mark. So isn't it easy? So I think it's very easy and you can easily construct the formulas and you can easily convert thousands of sentences, isn't it? So this is the formula. Okay. So this one is clear to you that how to convert in case of interrogative sentence, and in case of negative we'll be using was she not doing her lessons and were her lessons not being done by her. So let's give that example also. Or you can say wasn't she doing her lessons or was she not doing her lessons? Question mark. It will be was or were plus subject plus not plus verb plus ing plus object with a question mark. Okay. Now it will be, if we are changing it into passive, what we'll be doing is we'll be bringing the object, and let's do were her lessons not being done by her with a question mark. So it will be was or were plus object plus not plus being plus past participle form of verb form of a verb plus by plus subject with question mark. Okay, so this is in case of passive voice. Okay, so isn't it very easy? So I hope you are very clear with this in case of this tense also. Okay, so I hope everything is clear to you. If you like this video, just hit the like button and share with your friends if you think it's beneficial for you and your friend. Okay, so I hope you will be watching more videos, and don't forget to subscribe, as will be benefited with your subscription to bring and will feel encouraging to bring out more videos. Okay, so thanks for staying tuned with us, and stay tuned for more informative videos like this. Okay, thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.